Right, they've come back and they've come back successfully as well.
Right.
What is the general recovery time? We said he'd be on the shelf for 12 to 18 months. Is that generally what it is?
In general, unless he has something else going on, that's about the time frame that you would expect. Typically, the first year back, they're at a limited pitch count, a limited innings count. Some of the starting pitchers in the past have come back as relievers for a year or two, like John Smoltz. But then have gone on and gotten back into the rotation. That may be something that they're looking at. It may be that they hold him out all of next year. It just really sort of depends on how he comes along and if they find any other problems in his arm or elbow. And
Dr. Wolff, I don't know if you can answer this question, but how does it get to this point? Did he push himself too hard, too fast?
That's a good question. You know, what's coming out is that it seems like more of an acute injury, sort of a bad luck thing. There are, you know, it certainly concerns you when he was on the disabled list a few weeks ago for his shoulder and then comes back and immediately injures his elbow, that perhaps his mechanics were off, predisposing him to this. But there's nothing to say that he had elbow problems preceding this. It seems like a one-time event, and certainly disappointing for him and for Nationals and their fans.
Very disappointing. Dr. Andrew Wolff, thank you so much for joining us and shedding some light on the situation. So watch and wait situation right now, and we will be watching. Thank you.
Thank you, Laura.
Of course, we have much more in-depth coverage of Strasburg's injury and what it means for the Nats. Just head to myfoxdc.com, click on the Strasburg